dark upon me has covered your face. What you may believe, what you may believe. Together, my friend, what you may believe has gone through the end. And cause you have nothing, no place you can go, because you're a lost and a bitter soul. How much you'll never know, cause I have to say I'm on to a roll. Because you have nothing, you're standing alone. What you may believe, cause I'm so proud of myself, I decided that way. And I felt all alone, and I have realized today I'm not standing alone, and I'm leaving this race. I'm going ahead and I'm going someplace. I'm living this life and I'm saying what you may believe, what you may believe means nothing, my friend, because you're a lost and a bitter soul, and all that's got to go. I'm showing my face, no, I'll never turn around, because of a place, a gold mine I found. What you may believe, since I got rid of you, life is just going my way, and there's no turning back, and I'm living my life day to day. Cause I move right on forward, I'm living my life just for me. Cause I've built a new home and I'm free at last, I'm so free, yeah. What you may believe, what you may believe, yeah. What you may believe, cause I'm gonna treat life like a million, and I'm gonna see all that will run it down. And I'm feeling a winner, telling myself that it's down. Cause I'm gonna treat life like a million, and I'm gonna see all that will run it down. And I'm telling you all is no more to let yourself down. What you may believe. I just don't care anymore, cause I've turned myself round, and I've just on myself, and I made it up from the ground. Cause I made it all good now, and I'm really happy cause of me. Guess I've traveled alone and I made it through. Guess I've traveled alone and I made it through. Guess I've traveled